Nestled among the whispering pines and stretching oaks, the house stood as a testament to a bygone era. Built in 1926, its 2 bedrooms and single bath had served generations, but time and neglect had taken their toll. With its peeling paint and sagging eaves, it was a tear down by all conventional measures. Yet, beneath the layers of applied Dutch colonial trim and false gables lay the stoic heart of a humble structure, a square-gabled form that evoked the region's agrarian past, a time when this land was not suburbia, but farmland outside the sprawling city. The architects saw not a relic to be demolished, but a story to be retold. They began by respectfully stripping away the superficial adornments, revealing the house's honest, gabled form. This old house was then reclad and reclaimed barnwood siding, a nod to its agricultural roots and the history of the surrounding landscape. The result was a structure that felt both ancient and renewed, an almost archetypal image of a simple corn crib barn, standing resolute against the elements. This was the first truth: the past doesn't have to be erased, it can be celebrated and restored. Then came the new. In stark contrast to the old, the addition emerged as a smooth, sculptural form, a fluid extension born from the surrounding environment. It wasn't designed in a vacuum, it was shaped by the very trees it now embraced. The walls twisted and bulged, as if gently pushing against the trunks of 2 large pine trees, creating a deliberate gap between the old and new. This was a physical representation of the project's central question: where does the old end and the new begin? The transition itself became an experience, a step from the worn floors of the past, across a glass floor and skylight slot, and into a modern, sun-drenched space where the trees and sky were inextricably intertwined with the design. In the end, this project became more than just a renovation, it became a philosophical statement. By juxtaposing the stoic, gabled form of the old house with the dynamic, nature-infused addition, it revealed overlapping truths about contemporary living. The old house, with its barn-like proportions, represented an old paradigm, us against the elements. The new addition, with its curves and skylights, embodied a new one, living with nature. The 2 structures, joined yet distinct, created a powerful dialogue about the past, present, and future, proving that a home can honor its history while simultaneously embracing new ideas of what it means to live in harmony with the world around it.